She moved into her grandmother's house out of desperation. 22, broke, and fresh off a rejection from her dream job, Ava had nothing but a few suitcases and a phone full of, maybe next times. Her grandmother had passed only weeks before, and the house was still untouched, silent, and suspended in time. She wandered the attic to escape the heaviness of the downstairs. That's when she found it. An antique black typewriter. Its brass keys were dulled with age, but the ribbon was still fresh. Sitting beside it, untouched for years, was a yellowed note in her grandmother's handwriting. "Be careful what you bring to life." She laughed it off. That night, unable to sleep, she sat at the desk beneath the attic's single bulb and typed a sentence. Half out of boredom, half out of longing. "Tomorrow, the company will call and offer me the internship after all." She pulled the page from the roller, smiled at her own silliness, and went to bed. The next morning, her phone rang. "Hi Ava, there was a mistake in our records. We'd love to bring you on board. Can you start Monday?" Her hands trembled. She thought, coincidence? Over the next few days, she tested it. $1,000 arrives in my bank account. Let me find an old friend on the street today. Let him fall in love with me. All of it, real, happening almost instantly. With every word, her life transformed. Designer clothes. A penthouse view. People she once idolized, now calling her by name. But something was off. The old friend she manifested stared too long, like he didn't know why he was there. The guy she typed into love? His eyes stopped smiling after a week. Her dreams became warped versions of her wishes, too perfect, too still. One night, she typed, "Make it all stop." The keys jammed. Locked. She reached for the paper, but the carriage snapped forward and began to type on its own. A story must end with its final line. The lights flickered. Her reflection in the attic window didn't move. Behind her, the typewriter clicked again. She should have stopped while she still could.